Alrighty. My hand's kind of sore. Don't squeeze too hard. Good. Let's see it. So he's coming in. Who's coming in?
That guy's going in over there. He's trying to land.
Okay. Oh, okay. Be sure to here pull that back a little bit because I don't know what these people are going to do here. There you go. Whoa, whoa! Don't freak out over a crosswind. Just land it. What the shizems? Okay, come on, Todd, come in. I'll run out and grab the plane. There you go. Then just taxi right on over here and you're good.
Good job, Todd.
Come on. There you go. Come on, come on.
It's weather evading.
I know, hold on.
Okay, travel cut.
There we go.
Clear.
I knew it was going to do it. That's why I was ready to grab it.
Yeah, it was me. Thank you.
Yep. Right there. He's touching his elevator. Don't touch your elevator. That's your problem. There you go. All right. There you go.
Taxing out!
What?
You got to balance that.
I couldn't hear you.
What? Taxing out!
What?
Take it off landing. Take it out landing.
I fixed my wheel.
Got to get that fan balance. That thing sounds like crap.
A lot of my jets being the first versions of the F-15
You're one of the first, yeah.
has the motors that kill the.
Oh, the battery, yeah. Whoa! Bye-bye wheel. I got it.
Oh, nice catch.
Yeah.
They ain't fixed that. I don't know about that.
Was that a no?
I got it back.
What should I do? Should I do a belly land or?
I think you're okay. Just land the regular way. It's the side, I think the right side. Yeah. Wait for these guys to go by. It's got a fiery booty. This one. Get down low. You call it low, you gotta be low. Get down low quick before they get over here. Oh wait, they're ahead of you. There you go. Looks good.
You know what's sad? I left on the seat to hang right up on the hook.
I'm coming after another low pass.
You probably got another 3 to hang up on that damn one.
See where they're turning to do their low passes? Do it the same, because they're cutting. Whoa! Go down low.
Wow, that's amazing.
Go down low.
That was a good formation, huh?
Oh, that bird. That bird's like, what the hell am I doing here? See, you're going way too far out. There you go.
Is that better? Yeah.
Well, when you're turning over there, cut so. What size battery do you use? You're good. Keep flying. Why are you landing already? You're good. Keep going. You got like 5 minutes on that thing. I know. You can fly full throttle for at least 3 minutes on that plane. 3 to 4 minutes. That's too close. Cool. They want you at the line or over.
Sorry about that.
I don't care. I just don't want them to say anything to you. Okay, so after this pass, set up to land. So here, just we don't have to yell gear pass. Just come this way. I'll make sure your gear down. Put your gear down. Okay, come on in. Landing!
With an injured wheel!
You'll be all right. I'll just be ready to go grab it.
Alright, what I'm going to do is
You want to land up with? You want to do a belly landing? Okay. Last time he did it, it kind of tore it up. That's probably why he doesn't want to. I think the wheel will be all right. Just. Try to get it to touch closer to here. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. There. There we go. Alright. Didn't want it to scrape too much. We're good. And I caught it. It shot right at me. Yeah, because it came right at me. Did you put a washer or anything in there?
We did. We put a washer and a clip on it.
All right, here. Yep.
I don't know what happened to the clip though.
I have more if you need it.
Wait, what system does this thing
Oh, dude, it blew